Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a new Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. It is a Disney villains theme. I'm super excited to unbox this and show you all the things in here. Just from the box, you can see all of the villains. I love the illustration of them, so I'm really excited to see all the goodies in here. So this box is going to be available to purchase. I will have the link, my affiliate link down in the description if you are interested, because you can get it on the Happy Planner's website. So yeah, I'm just going to unbox this and show you all the things that are going to be in this new Be Happy box. So if you love villains, if you love Disney, definitely got to check out this box. The box is really cute too. I love the print on the back. So cute. Or all over the box. But yeah, excited to get in here. I just got the other Disney themed Be Happy box recently and I absolutely loved that one. So I'm excited to have like a completely different vibe because that one was like really cute and sweet. And then we got the really cool like villains here in this box. All right, oh, look at the paper. I always love seeing, there's always like special tissue paper. So we got really cool tissue paper. There's like a poison apple right there. There's, I think that's the flower from Tangled. And then we have the shell from Ariel. So Ursula, where she put the voice. So I like that little mixture of some of their villainous kind of elements in there. And then we have the inside cover. Dark Deeds are so delightful. Love the purple. So pretty. Okay. Oh, and then we got the little from Ariel. Little Mermaid. Okay. Open this up. So cute. And then here are all the things in this box. All right. So looks like we got, ooh, lots of goodies. Lots and lots of goodies to unwrap and to split through. There's looks like a planner maybe, lots of paper. There's lots of stuff in here. And I'm loving the color scheme. I love these like jewel toned colors. So I'm excited to see that. And I'm gonna unwrap everything and then flip through all the things. Excited to share this collection. There's a lot of good items in here, a good mixture of product. So excited to share all the things. First up, we have this bookmark that features all the villains in this collection. You have Maleficent, Hades, Mother Gothel, Scar, Cruella, the Evil Queen, and Ursula. All the villains. Well, not all the villains, but I feel like, oh yeah, this is the new one that they've added in, the Tangled one. But I think the other ones they've featured before in the past, so love seeing them again. Look at this really pretty, I think this is a notebook, but I love the color and just like how you can see all the villains and just, I don't know, it's really, really pretty. It has black discs and it is a mini size and it looks like, oh, I love, again, the pattern here with some of their, like I said, the poison apple. You have the Evil Queen's crown there. The flower from Tangled. The thorns. So cool. Okay, so this is a notebook. Here we have Maleficent. She wasn't scared of the fire. She was the fire. So cool. And then look at this paper. So it's a dotted line and it's got a really nice little side print there with the pattern. Very nice, very simple, which is good. Then we have Ursula, taking matters into my own tentacles. We got all those little guys from the movie there. Then we have Ursula, Hades, and Scar. It's good to be bad. I'm excited to see some mini pages because I feel like I don't have a lot of mini filler paper as much as I used to have in the past. So, and this is a nice paper. It's not, doesn't have any of the villains on it, which I actually appreciate because then I can just use it for whatever. It's just really pretty paper. So that is dotted line paper in here. Again, the cover, so good. I'm loving the illustrations, the way they did the illustrations in this one. Okay, this is something new. Looks like a calendar maybe. Okay, oh yeah, it's a calendar. Okay, so it's like a flip kind of calendar. I was actually wondering like why they were not centered or spaced out like that, but this is why, because we have, oh my goodness, this is funny. We have your mood. You can put your mood here. It's got all kinds of moods. Wicked, sentimental, romantic. So again, they are on discs, so you can just pull them out, flip them around, and then the other side has a holiday on the other side. So if you want to put the holiday, you can flip it around that way. If you want to just, you know, say your mood, maybe just have it, this is a little desk calendar, have it displaying your mood for the day. You could do that. So love that. And then it's reusable, which is great too, because sometimes, usually the calendars that I've seen like this, they're coiled and they're not reusable. So with the Happy Planner discs, you can rearrange things however you need. So then here's the days. So you have a colored version with the black background, and then you also have a black and white version. I actually like that side. That's really cool. And then here you have a little note section, and they're double-sided. I really like this. This is cool. I don't think they've done something like this. At least I can't remember something like this, but I really like it. So you can have this aesthetic right here, which is, I like the black and white, or you can have a more colorful, fun aesthetic like this. Both sides are good though, but I like that you can change them out however you would like, customize it however you would like. I like the little moods. I think the moods are funny to read through the different moods that they have in here. We have overwhelmed, grateful, playful, envious, realistic. So yeah, there's a lot of different ones in here. So really cool. Love that little desk calendar. All right, and then next, oh, we have a little bag, a little pen pouch bag here. It has the little strap on the back, so you can strap it to your, I think classic size would be the biggest size that you could use this on. And it's just a little pouch where you can put all your things in here and then take on the go with you with your planner. So that is the pouch, and it has the characters on them. Sorry, because of the glare, it's hard to see, but you can see the characters printed on to the pouch. And it's kind of like it's not a fabric, like a soft fabric, so this is more easy to clean. If it were to get something on here, you just like wipe it off really pretty easily, which is nice. Okay, I really like this little pad of paper because I like this size. I always like having different size paper for my classic planner that's not classic size. I like either like a half sheet or a mini sheet, and this isn't those sizes, but it's a little bit, you know, smaller than a classic size page. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 punched holes here, so obviously you can put it in your classic. I don't think it fits in the mini. Yeah, it's too big to fit in the mini unless you like cut it down, but this will fit in your classic size. I like that it's already pre-punched, and then it is attached on the top, so you can just like rip off the pages. I really like this because, again, for extra pages in your planner, you can just, you know, pop this in really easily for extra notes. And we have some of the villains on the top, really fun pattern all around it, kind of like it looks like a frame, like a mirror around, and then you can write on here, and then the back it is blank. Okay, so that is the little pad of paper. Oh, I didn't notice this at first, but this basically tells you all the things. A little card that tells you all the things. There's classic size paper in here. Look how cool this is with all the bones. This gives me like scar vibes here, but this is so pretty. And then the back, yeah, we have a scar. So forgive me for not leaping for joy. There's some scar paper. It's really pretty, even though it has like all these bones. Oh, there's another one. Okay, then we have an Ursula page here. Love the purple. And it's got dotted line. Yeah, dotted lines. Life's full of tough choices in it. And then we have Ursula with her tentacles going up to the side. All right, so you got Scar. Oh no, there's another one. Oh, there's a few different kinds. Okay, so we got Ursula, we got Scar. You get a good mixture in here. This one right here is Hades. Love that color too. Again, the jewel tone colors, so pretty. So there's Hades, Another Day Ruined by Responsibility. That's truth right there. Okay, and then we have a Maleficent page. Look how cool that is with the mirror or the frame of thorns. That's what it is. It's thorns going around it. And then we have Maleficent. Now shall you deal with me? Okay, it looks like those are the villains for the paper. But that's cool that there's 4 different ones in there. Very nice. Okay, now we're getting to, I have a sticker book, but I want to share first the, okay, is this a planner? Yes, it's a planner. And oh my goodness, this cover is so good. This is definitely going to be my Halloween cover because this is a really, really good cover. Look how cool this cover is. It is a deluxe cover, so it's that nice like vegan leather. I always like having like one of these types of covers on my planner because I just feel like they're just so nice. They're so nice. But yeah, look at the pattern. You can kind of see the print pattern right here, and then you have their like representation of their little icons here around the cover in gold foil. And it just says plans, but I love this. It's so pretty. So yeah, this is going to be my seasonal October cover for that month. And then the discs, okay, it's kind of hard to tell, but the discs do have a cutout in here. It looks like Maleficent's horns, her crown. But yeah, that is really cool. Yeah, really, really cool. And then the back is just plain. It doesn't have the pattern that it does on the front, but I'm loving that pattern. It's so cool. Love it. So good. All right, so this is a planner. It is an undated planner. And this one's, if you like decor, this is going to have a lot of decor. Okay, so yeah, you'll have lots of images in this planner. So we have the name page here. Look how pretty that is. You got all the villains on the side, big plans and evil ideas. And then you have that really nice pattern going down the punched edge. Again, it's undated. And then we have the pattern going down, and then you have a villain on this side. And I like that they incorporated like a functional element into the design. So you can write in maybe the important thing you need to take over that week. Maybe you could do like a little memory keeping, or like one thing that you want to focus on that week, the important thing. You can use that however you would like. Okay, here's the next villain. Okay, next one. So it looks like all the villains will be represented in this, on these weekly pages. And then you go into the currently, and then next is the next divider. And the villains. Okay, so that's just going to repeat through the whole month. And then we have, I'll just go over the dividers. Okay, we have Maleficent. And then Ursula with their little catchphrases. Again, that pattern. Dark deeds are so delightful. It's good to be bad. Ooh, that one's cool. I love that pattern. With the feathers and the birds, the crows. Made for Mayhem. Another day ruined by responsibility. And forgive me for not leaping for joy. Okay, and then there's the last page, which we have, there's paper like that. We had paper like that, right? Yeah, I believe I saw paper like that. Oh yeah, the scars paper. So you have that there on the back. And then that is the planner. So cool. Love that. Such a good planner. I'm really glad they've been including these really nice fancy covers in these boxes, because I feel like that is just like amazing. Love those covers. All right, now we have this sticker book. This is a 30-page sticker book. Yes. So excited to see these villain stickers. So first up we have Maleficent. Ooh, these are really cool. Okay, then the Maleficent decorative stickers, feeling wicked. So cool. Then we have Hades. And then his decorative stickers. Hot as Hades, even on my worst day, I'm killing it. Then we have Cruella. And then Ursula. Don't care. And Scar. Everyone was thinking it, I just said it. It's funny. Okay, Scar. Then Mother Gothel. I love Tangled, so I'm glad they included her in these villain stickers. Such a good movie. Evil Queen. No Place for Fairy Tales. Then we have some decorative like washi stickers here. You get a couple pages of those. This looks like when they do those, is this washi? Yeah, I see like cut lines. So it looks like it's gonna be like decorative washi too. Or sticker washi. Okay, more of the villains. These cool like shaped functional boxes. Very busy woman. Okay, here they are all together. And then we have some quotes. Dark deeds are so delightful, perfectly wretched. Cruella, Scar, hot as Hades, be bold, made for mayhem. So you have them in foil, and then you have them in this like really nice purpley color. And then we have some of the girls or the villains. Big plans, evil ideas. Cruella, Evil Queen, and Mother Gothel. Very cool. Really liking the variety of the stuff that's in here. I actually really like this calendar. I hope they make more of these because I think this is such a cute idea. It's so good. So we got the calendar. We have all this filler paper in different sizes. A nice pen pouch. This planner cover, amazing. And then of course this sticker book. So those are all the products that are in this new Be Happy box. Definitely check out that link down in my description if you're interested in purchasing. But that is going to be it for this unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.